If you have received a statement of reasons from the government about your security clearance, it's time for you to consider formal action. Hi, I'm Alan Edmonds from the Edmonds Law Firm. The statement of reasons is a very important notice and must be given the utmost importance. Not only must the statement of reasons be filed in a timely fashion, the response, but also the content of your response is extremely important. People call me from all over the United States asking, what do I do? How do I respond to the SOR? Should I admit allegations that have errors? Should I deny those allegations that are only partially true? These are all good questions, and how you proceed is very important. You should know that anything you say in a response to a statement of reasons can be used against you at the hearing. I always recommend, please don't answer the SOR yourself. Get professional help and make sure that the attorney you speak to has the experience and knowledge required. Many times people hire the wrong lawyer. Having a fancy website is not enough, and some attorneys have very little experience or success in this area of law. Don't be afraid to ask the attorney, how many cases have you won? And could you please show me proof? Your career and reputation deserve nothing less. The attorneys at the Edmonds Law Firm post their victories on our website for visitors to review. Our decisions are also featured on the DOHA website. That's the Defense Office of Hearings and Appeals. Be an informed consumer, and if you have any questions, please call me. I look forward to speaking with you soon.